Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, then let me introduce myself. This is Kazi Amit Hassan. I'm doing my master's in computer science in Queen's University, Canada. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to handle missing values, incomplete values, and inconsistent data like a professional in your data analysis journey. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, I will be talking about uh, a few techniques about handling these issues, and I will give you some real life examples and try to provide some solution that can be helpful for your data analysis. So, let's get started. So, working with real data can be messy, and it's not uncommon to encounter issues like missing, incomplete, or inconsistent data. So, let's break down what each of these problems means. So, first one is the missing data. So, missing data means when a data points are absent from your dataset, and we almost every one of us has experienced this sort of issues in our dataset, right? And the second one is incomplete data. So it means that when you have partial information about some of your data points. And the last one is the inconsistent data. It means that when there are some contradictions or discrepancies within the dataset. So in next part of this video, I'm going to talk about these separate three things and would try to give you some solutions on how to handle all these scenarios. So let's dive into some practical examples for your better understand and on how you can tackle them. So first is the handling missing data. Imagine you are analyzing a dataset of customer reviews for an e-commerce platform. You notice that some reviews don't have a rating, which is crucial for your analysis. This is a classic case of missing data. Here are a few strategies that you can use to handle this. So first one is listwise deletion. Simply remove observations with missing data. However, this might be not ideal because you might lose a significant portion of your dataset. And the second one is imputation. It means that fill in missing data with estimate values. It can be mean, median, or mod imputations, and these are some common methods. And the third one is model based imputations. In this case, you can utilize machine learning algorithms to predict the missing values. It's essential to consider the nature of your data and your analysis goals when choosing an appropriate method. So these are some ways how you can handle the missing data. Now next step is how handling the incomplete data. So now let's say you are working with a dataset of product sales and some transactions with only partial informations like missing product categories, and this is an example of incomplete data. Now let's see that how we can address this issue. So first solution could be fill in the gaps using domain knowledge and additional data sources like product catalogs or supply information. This you can say that you can concat two data sets or two relevant data set in a one data set and try to fill in the gaps. Second one could be apply clustering algorithms to group similar data points and assign them in the most common category within each cluster. So that can be a way. And the third one would be to treat the incomplete data as a separate category and analyze it accordingly. These three solutions can be applied in terms of handling incomplete data. But again, I would say that the best approach depends on the specifications and the types of your data set and your analysis objective. So now, the last but not the least, handling inconsistent data. So fine, let's talk about some inconsistent data. Let's tackle inconsistent data in a way that suppose you are analyzing a data set of real estate listings and find conflicting information such as duplicate records or inconsistent formatting. So how you can handle that? So you can handle it in some ways, like you can use data cleaning, like identify the correct errors and standardize the formats and remove the duplicates. You can also use the data validation, like establish some rules and constraints to ensure the data consistency. And last but not the least, data reconciliation. So if the data originates from multiple resources or sources, resolve the discrepancies and merge the records. So, but remember that maintaining data quality is an ongoing process, and periodic data audits can help to prevent the inconsistencies. And here you have it. You know how to effectively handle missing, incomplete, or inconsistent data like a true data professional. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment if you find anything that is not understandable to you towards you. I'll happy to help you guys to solve your queries. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.